So here's question 26. I've just done this now. So when it says the curve with equation y equals fx is translated so that the point 0, 0 is mapped onto the point 4, 0. So this is fx here, and this is a translated curve. How are we going to get back from here to here? Well, we're going to have to minus 4x time. So the translated curve is y equals fx minus 4, because if you think about it, each point we have here, to get it in the original form fx, we're going to have to minus 4. So it's like a shift. The other way you can think about it is if you shift this way, we're going to have to plus something. If we shift this way, we're going to have to minus something. So it's the opposite of what you would not naturally think, but opposite what you might expect. The next part says we have the grid here, and it shows the graph y equals cos x from 0 to 540. And on the grid sketch the graph of y equals 3x, 3 cos x, 2x for the values of x from 0 to 540. Okay, let me just show it on here first what process we need to go by. So let's do some sketches here. Let's just draw the initial cos. This is 1 and minus 1. This is going to be 90. This is 180. This is 270. This is then 360, this is then 450 and 540, like that. Is that right? Have I missed out anything? No. And then what we need to do here is note that this is y and this is x and this is y equals cos x. Where this is back in degrees, you should note. So if we're doing y equals 3 cos x, we're going to have to just stretch this graph in both directions up. Stretch this graph in this respect here, so we then get a maximum and a minimum of minus 3 and plus 3. So if we call this 2, 1 and 3, and minus 1, minus 2 and minus 3, again we're just going to have the same shape of the graph, but it's just going to be this is going to be 90, 180, 270, 360, 450, 540, and this is y equals 3 cos x. But we want y equals 3 cos 2x. So if we go back to our initial graph, we realise what it's going to have to actually look like. It's because it's 2x, you can think of it as it being squashed together, because it's like the graph is happening twice as quickly, the values are being produced twice as quickly. So think of it same shape, but just have like that. Okay, so this is then going to be 3 and minus 3. This is then going to be 0. But then if you think about it, this isn't going to happen at 90, it's going to happen at 45. This here isn't going to happen at 180, it's going to happen at 180 divided by 2, which is 90. This isn't going to happen at 70, it's going to happen at 135. This is going to happen then at 180. This is then, it's not going to happen at 450, it's going to happen at 225. 540 is going to happen at 270. And then up here, instead of having it at initially it would be 270, so we're just adding on 45 each time, if you can see that. So we add 270 onto we add 45 onto 270, we get 315, and then we add 45 again, we get 360, and then we add it on again and we get 405, and then we add it on again and we get 450, and then we add it on again and we get 495, and then we add it on again and we're going to get 540. So this is the graph y equals 3 cos 2x.